In a sunlit classroom, youthful eyes focus on an animated cloud as a teacher sparks their curiosity about the origins of rain. The teacher softly inquires, "Have you ever wondered where rain comes from?" In the classroom, a clear jar filled with water sets the stage for a fascinating experiment, creating a rain cloud in a jar. As the teacher guides, shaving cream is carefully layered, transforming the jar into a fluffy, cloud-like canvas. With anticipation building, blue food coloring is slowly dripped, promising a simulated rainfall that captivates all eyes. On-screen text illuminates the process, offering clear, numbered steps that transform the classroom into a hub of discovery and learning. Amidst the bustling classroom, a hands-on rain gauge experiment unfolds, sparking curiosity and engagement among the young learners. The simple rain gauge, crafted from a plastic bottle and ruler, becomes a beacon of scientific discovery, guiding the children through the wonders of measurement. Under the playful cascade of a simulated shower, the children measure rainfall with precision, charting their findings on a dynamic, animated data chart. Inside the classroom, a Ziploc bag filled with water hangs on a window, a miniature world where the magic of the water cycle unfolds. Time-lapse footage reveals the mesmerizing dance of condensation and evaporation within the bag, as nature's delicate balance comes to life. The teacher, surrounded by eager faces, encapsulates the day's discoveries, setting the stage for a montage of joy and learning. A montage bursts forth, each frame a vibrant testament to the sheer joy and boundless enthusiasm of children immersed in the wonders of science. Upbeat music fills the air, amplifying the atmosphere of discovery and delight. On-screen text proclaims, "Learning is fun.